Hi guys, Ralph here. I've been asked to do a review on this multifunctional smartphone video kit, the VF-K2 from Viewflex. Now, I don't mind doing reviews of it now and then anyway, but this one looks actually pretty good. A nice little tripod there, the phone's holder stand and an extra microphone as well. So let's have a look at the box, product number. It looks perfectly normal, like a normal box. Let's get inside. Simple open there and open up. Oh, okay. We have inside a nice velvety bag for storing all the parts in. I do like these Chinese gadgets and gizmos. They always add a little bit extra. That feels quite nice, that, to be honest. It's kind of odd that they do these little extra things. Nobody would really do that, but it's nice, really. So inside, look what we've got. Full instructions of how this thing works. Looks like we've got the warranty card and a little sales card, certification passed. So it looks like inside we have what comes with the kit and how to put it together, the height on the phone and so forth. And then the rest looks like it's in Chinese. Is there a third language maybe? No, just in Chinese. Right, so basically to start with, let's have a look. Tripod. It does feel a little bit plastic because it is. You've got a metal ring around there for where the rubber part where you put the base. You could use this as a normal. I would show you on the camera that I'm filming from, but I can't because it's obviously I'm filming this. But it does look quite good as a handheld, so you can walk around with your camera, or when you just want to sit it down, all three legs out. And they do feel actually quite solid, those. That's quite nice. But other than that, why there's a V on there, maybe they just wanted one part to be front. Don't know, because the rest doesn't. That's actually the only, that's not bad at all, really. It's strengthened in with the plastic there anyway, that's fine. Rubber feet on the bottom of here, so that's quite good to stop it slipping around. That's quite good. Okay, with the next part, we have, very stuck in there, we have the mobile phone holder. Looks like this would screw then into there. It's like you can have both. If you've got a larger, use a different tripod for that. Screw in, screw in, screw in. Done. Okay. And okay, pretty cool. Mobile phone will hold in that way if you want it widescreen, and then these will. That does take a very big phone on width only. You obviously wouldn't use a nowadays phone to go the height wise anyway, but width wise, yeah, I can get your phone in a moment anyway and try that, see if it actually works. We also have a microphone holder which looks like it fits on there, or if you've got the other way around, it's still the same there. Or if you actually went sideways, you could potentially cold shoe something onto that side and cold shoe another one onto that side. Because your microphone, I think, fits in there. Actually, the only thing that looks a little bit cheap on this is this holder. Just seems very thin, flexible plastic, but to get the mic in, possibly needs to be. So look, will that fit in there now? No. I don't want to put that part there in with a microphone. This actually just feels really good. There's quite a good weight to this. Video microphone. Nice, everything's metal apart from this plastic section here. So I think, yeah, it just pulls out a little bit, stretches a little to grab hold of the mic, which is on those little rings there. That's okay. We'll hold in no problem. Okay, so far you got the mic forward, or you can easily just turn the mic round, so you can get your own voice if obviously you're recording something and haven't got that set up. Twist that in, holds everything in place. So you're recording yourself cutting outwards for the video, and you get your microphone pointing directly at you. A lot of microphones on phones do actually point opposite direction and sideways, so you've got the microphone pointing directly towards you. You've got a dead cat, fit on there for a windsock. That is really big, but still not bad. But you've also got the sponge one as well. I like that. So, in, done, sorted. That's quite good. Actually, we have also a microphone cable. So it looks like, I'll get into this. It's one of those plastic bags you just can't get into when you're in a rush. So it looks like we have a cap ring base and then a cap ring base. And there's a standard stereo to a microphone, which I think, should we have a look to see whether or not the stereo one fits into there? Height adjustment, TRS, right, so it's yeah, tip ring, right, so the full one goes into your smartphone. You might need to get a cable that will change this if you're going to do from any other professional equipment, not a smartphone, that will just have the standard stereo connector on the end. But that to there, to plug into your smartphone's not bad at all. That's not anything in there. Yeah, that's really good. That's actually quite solid. For what it is, that's nicely designed. That's held in place. Let me get a phone and see if I can put this in and see how this actually works better. I've got my trusty smartphone in there, S7. Not much difference on the size between them and the Neo ones anyway, a tiny bit different, but that feels perfectly fine to actually use that. The microphone's pointing towards me so I can record my own voice. Possibly maybe hook that around there to keep that out the way of the camera for the actual on the phone, but it's on the wrong side anyway, so that should be fine. But that's actually not bad really. And if I want to stand and do a little bit of a blog, stand it up and have a talk to camera for a while with the decent microphone pointed towards me and nice and stable on a tripod. That's really good, that, quite like that. I mean, it will move, the camera will move a little bit in there, so you can have it as far down as you want, depending on where your buttons are on the side of your phone. Mine will hold in the middle anyway, but it does seem to slide off with these rubber bits, because it will compensate for quite fatter phones, but it does slide down, but this rim does seem to stop it quite well anyway. I just feel a little bit too far in front, but it does actually hold quite well there. So that's really not bad at all. Keep it on the side, move it so you can watch down. Hold it up in the air. Yeah. That's really good. That's really definitely worth the money to get a decent bit of equipment like that. It's nice and hard. The actual hinge there could be tightened up further with that screw there anyway. But yeah, I really like that. That's really good. I'm glad I've actually tested that, so to get the full experience on there, not just getting a tripod and just testing that, because we've got a million tripods anyway, sort of, and it's nice to have something that can be a full equipment, go to expos with, play about with. Yeah, that's quite good. That's really good indeed. Really like that. A nice little bag to keep everything in afterwards. So there you have it. It's the Viewflex VFK2 multifunctional smartphone video kit. So yeah, good bit of kit actually. Good solid bit of kit. Nice metal. The only thing I can think is, yeah, it does, when you move around a bit, is now I'm pointing down. That's the only thing I can think of, but obviously tighten that a little bit. Nice and steady, nice filming, off you go. Really good. Like that. We'll be using that myself quite a bit. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.